Okay, I'm a protein bar junkie because I'm really busy at the office and I often need a quick grab, something that's got some nutritional punch to it. So, protein bars are a great way to go. They last for long on the shelf and they do usually taste pretty good. But I'm on a hunt for the best nutrition and the best, moreover, taste. Now, most of them nutritionally, they do have the same sort of profile. This particular brand, Pure Protein, has 20 grams, 3 grams of sugar. Now you can see here, 3 grams of sugar is not ideal for if you're following the keto diet. Want it a bit low. And also, it's 2 grams of added sugars. I'd prefer no added sugars. There are 2 other flavors that are offered here. The pure chocolate one here has more protein, same amount of sugar, and this one has a little bit more sugar. It says it has natural flavors on the front, but I wouldn't say these are all natural. I don't particularly like the fact that there's sucralose in here. That's a sugar alternative, but something like monk fruit or stevia would be a better option, in my opinion, for health. They are made in the USA, and I'm going to bring these to work, open them up here. I like the packaging here. You can easily access them. This is what the bar looks like. I'm just going to bring these to work, and I'm going to share with you what they taste like from the workplace. I'm not going to eat them now because I just ate. To be continued. Okay, I am at my place of work and it is snack time once again. Let's open it up. I've already taken off the top here with the scissors. We can see a nice chocolatey, decent sized bar. Should be for about 200 calories. Let's dive in. Okay, this is indeed a chewy, protein-like bar. Very similar in texture to the other 2 I've tried. It's not too sweet. I like that. However, this one, it doesn't really taste like cookie dough or anything like that. It's just a chewy, kind of nondescript base with some chocolate chunks thrown in and some crispy bits. Not too shabby.